Welcome back to my YouTube channel. 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio marks a bold new chapter for the Italian automaker, redefining what a luxury performance SUV can be in both design and engineering. Alfa Romeo has always been synonymous with passion, performance, and distinct Italian style, and the latest Stelvio continues that legacy with even more refinement and innovation. As the SUV market becomes increasingly competitive, the 2026 Stelvio manages to stand out not by following trends, but by setting them, combining hard racing performance with modern technology and elegant craftsmanship that speaks to true driving enthusiasts. From the very first glance, the 2026 Stelvio commands attention. The updated design language is sharper, sleeker, and more aerodynamically refined than ever before. Alfa Romeo's signature, Scudetto, grille takes center stage, flanked by slim LED matrix headlights that give the SUV a predatory stance. The sculpted hood lines flow gracefully into muscular shoulders, while the rear features redesigned taillights connected by a sleek light bar that emphasizes the car's width. The proportions strike a perfect balance between sporty aggression and sophisticated elegance, making it clear that this is no ordinary family SUV, it's a true driver's machine wrapped in luxury. Inside, the 2026 Stelvio feels like an Italian masterpiece. Every inch of the cabin showcases premium materials, from hand-stitched leather to real aluminum and carbon fiber accents. Alfa Romeo has worked to elevate both comfort and technology without losing the brand's pure driver-focused ethos. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, while a new 12.3-inch infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in Amazon Alexa integration. The interface is intuitive, fast, and beautifully designed, with physical controls remaining where drivers need them most, a nod to Alfa's philosophy that technology should enhance, not replace, the driving experience. The ambient lighting, premium Harman Kardon audio system, and advanced driver assistance features bring modern luxury to new heights. Under the hood, the 2026 Stelvio offers a range of powertrains designed to satisfy both thrill-seekers and eco-conscious drivers. The standard model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivering around 300 horsepower, ensuring brisk acceleration and agile handling. But for those who crave more excitement, the Stelvio Quadrifoglio returns as the performance flagship, featuring a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6, rumored to produce well over 520 horsepower. This engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Alfa's advanced all-wheel drive system, provides blistering performance capable of propelling the SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. What's particularly exciting about the 2026 model year is Alfa Romeo's transition toward electrification. Industry insiders expect a plug-in hybrid variant to debut, combining electric torque with traditional engine power for greater efficiency without sacrificing the brand's iconic performance character. With Europe's tightening emissions standards and global shifts towards sustainability, Alfa's commitment to offering hybrid and eventually fully electric models ensures the Stelvio will remain relevant for years to come. The driving experience remains the Stelvio's strongest selling point. Alfa Romeo's engineers have refined the suspension and chassis tuning to deliver razor-sharp handling, near-perfect weight distribution, and precise steering that feels more like a sports sedan than an SUV. Adaptive dampers adjust seamlessly to road conditions, providing comfort on long drives and cornering stability during spirited runs. The result is a vehicle that feels alive in your hands, something few competitors can truly match. Safety and technology are also central to the 2026 Stelvio's evolution. It comes equipped with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and traffic jam assist. Alfa Romeo's latest semi-autonomous driving technology, developed in collaboration with top-tier suppliers, allows for hands-on driving with intelligent assistance that enhances safety without removing driver engagement. Beyond performance and innovation, the 2026 Stelvio also represents Alfa Romeo's vision for the future of luxury mobility. The brand has invested heavily in quality improvements, reliability, and service experience, areas where previous models sometimes fell short. With the 2026 model, Alfa aims to compete head-to-head with German rivals like BMW's X3 and Mercedes-Benz GLC, as well as new challengers from Genesis and Polestar. Yet, while others may focus purely on numbers and practicality, Alfa Romeo continues to appeal to the emotions, offering not just transportation, but a sensory experience filled with character and soul. In essence, the 2026 Alfa Romeo Stelvio is more than just a new SUV, it's a declaration of intent. It shows that Alfa Romeo is fully committed to combining Italian artistry with cutting-edge innovation in a way that no other brand can replicate. Whether it's the throaty growl of the Quadrifoglio's V6, the graceful lines of the bodywork, or the perfectly weighted steering that connects driver and machine, the Stelvio continues to embody the spirit of La Meccanica della Emozione, the mechanics of emotion. For driving enthusiasts and luxury SUV buyers alike, the 2026 Stelvio delivers a rare combination of performance, beauty, and technology that few competitors can match.